So, for a long time, we've had this idea to do a photo shoot inspired by one of our favorite movies.
Wait, not that one.
This one, Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind.
Thanks to Intel and their 8th generation Core i7 processor that they stepped into this HP Folio for partnering with us to help make this shoot happen and keeping us connected on our trip.
In order to pull off the shoot, we needed to fly to New York, where the movie takes place.
But first, we had to lock in our models, so we texted our friends Katie and Joe to see if they were down.
They were.
And we booked some flights.
Yeah, we did.
At LAX, we avoided the sketchy public Wi-Fi and connected to the internet with our integrated gigabit LTE SIM card to keep it super safe and super fast.
That's what she said.
We finished up our call sheet for the shoot and emailed it out to our models.
Landed in New York.
Made it to our Airbnb.
Rewatched Eternal Sunshine on our Intel-powered Lappy one last time before our shoot for good measure.
I mean, we have 14 hours of battery life, so we can rewatch it a few times in case our memories get erased or whatever.
The next morning, our models Katie and Joe arrived with hugs and cool hats.
Hi guys! How are you? Good to see you guys.
We went over our mood board on our always connected Intel-packed PC. Perfect for when our photo shoot sets don't have Wi-Fi.
Wait, who sponsored this video again?
And finally, it was time to shoot.
We really wanted to mirror the lucid, dreamlike feeling of the movie in our shoot. In the movie, when memories are erased, it creates a feeling of disassociation.
We attempted to create that feeling by using a few techniques, including atmospheric haze, smearing coconut oil on a cheap filter in front of our lens, and shooting through translucent PVC paper later on in the shoot.
So can you kind of have a dead stare this way, past us? Yeah.
Trying to imagine that my brain is being deleted.
Okay, so you're just looking straight forward, kind of slumpy a little bit.
Waking up from a nap, kind of on the couch, but more dramatic.
Yeah, it's kind of leaning forward. Yeah.
Try your right hand down on the couch, maybe like that. Let me try one more, brighter, just in case. Opposite, but we want Joe's. So once again, I'm gonna put the camera where your head is, but if you can get your arm in there, on Katie.
Yeah.
I think you could.
So I stay here?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
I could have, how I was sitting up, I could have done that too.
So for going off the movie, she was having an anxiety attack or something, kind of distress.
Break it out then.
I like that one.
Hopefully it's okay.
Okay, so then Joe's eyes closed, and then Katie, just lean your temple on his cheek, and then a coffee cup in your other hand. Just slow mornings with your love or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Once we wrapped the apartment location, we hit the road for a 2.5-hour drive to Montauk.
But first, we had to stop at a little-known, hole-in-the-wall Mexican joint for lunch. We finally arrived at Montauk and began shooting.
Will you actually just hug like you just did? I like that.
Yeah, just hold that for a minute.
We were hoping for a more overcast and dreary day to better match the mood of the movie, but terrible weather is one thing that Intel couldn't sponsor.
So we made the best of it.
We'll just have you kind of run it in front of him, I think.
Well, what if he came towards us?
Okay, what if we do that but rotate towards us? So Katie, you'll run at us. Joe, you're facing us. That's cool. Yeah, one more for the film.
Maybe one on each side of it. You want them like separated on each side and like face each other.
Yeah.
Like stoically kind of.
Yeah. So come down here, and then when you get past this green one, just turn the corner. All right, and yeah, go ahead.
With the sun lower in the sky, we headed back to the beach to finish up.
That's what she
Daniel, no.
We had them spin around a lot.
Made Katie cry.
Got him a little sandy.
And then we backed up all of our photos on our portable, powerful PC.
Actually, I backed up the photos while you all warmed up in the car. Pro tip, we recommend backing up your photos as soon as possible.
Edited photos on the way back to the city and sent one of our favorites to my phone with that good old LTE connection to instantly post a sneak peek to Instagram.
Ah, there's that hit of dopamine.
Took like a 3-hour nap and then packed up and headed back to the airport.
Man, who booked these flights?
Thanks to that 8th generation processor, we edited a few more photos in Lightroom and then emailed a sneak peek to Katie and Joe with our LTE connection.
We get it, it's a great processor.
Cooked up some YouTube drama and made our flight with plenty of time to spare.
Started working on the edit of this video.
This is getting too meta. Made it back to LA in one piece with a whole new set of photos to send to our moms.
Send it.
Before we show you the photos that we took from this shoot, we want to take one last opportunity to thank Intel for sponsoring this video. We wanted to do this dream shoot for a long time and couldn't have done it without their help.
And their 8th Gen i7 processor sure helped. It's like having the connection of a phone, but with the powerful processor we need to run apps like Lightroom and Premiere. If you think it'd help you stay productive with your workflow, be sure to check them out.
You know in the room rage? That movie.
Oh.
Like Denny comes in when they're
What
like.
this is right now.
You're Denny right now?
Yeah. Hey guys, what you doing?
Get out of here, Denny.